ahead. I'll push over. What's up? Okay, y'all, so as y'all read by that title, we are on our way to go see our land and go to talk to our builder. He reached out to us so we can go ahead and do some updates. I'm gonna take you guys along with us so you guys can get some insight on what's going on for our house that's getting built. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this meeting, y'all. This is the selection room. You pick the cabinet, pick the carpet, the tile, the doorknob, the brick. We went with this brick. You can pick your flooring. This is the coolest one you can get for your front door. Now I'm gonna show y'all a tour of this model house. It's so cute. This is a bedroom 1. Love this decor. Super cute. They have a little closet here. That's bedroom 2. A little closet for your towels and stuff. Then coming off of the stairs, bathroom. Guest bathroom. Toilet, shower. Love these countertops. Ours will be the same, but they will be brown. They won't be gray. Hey y'all. Then we have the master bedroom. This master bedroom is huge. Super cute. I love the decor they have in this model. Even the bed is so cute, guys. Giving me so many ideas for my new house. We actually just met with the builder. Everything is great. We are scheduled to start building April the 26th, like I told you guys. Super excited. Oh, this headboard is like suede. Love it. Where are my decor queens at, honey? I know y'all loving this. This will be the bathroom off of the master. Our countertops will be granite though. Cute shower here, glass door. Love that shower. Then you come to the walk-in closet off of the bathroom. Whew, y'all know I need this huge closet. You know I need it. I'm so excited. All right, let's go downstairs. Office space. Powder room. Where you at, babe? Okay. They have a little office here. Super cute. Kitchen. Super cute.
Hey, girl.
Good, how are you? Alright, we about to get ready to skedaddle. I just had to show y'all.
Counter. I don't know your main counter.
Oh.
Better.
I'll text him and see. It might be for you guys. Okay. Okay, y'all. We just left the model where we met the builder. We just went over the floor plan. The floor plan. Can I get it right? Went over the floor plan. Everything sounded good. We should be moved in what? August, September time. So we're excited about that. Okay, y'all. So we have left from picking out our carpet and our last little things, you know, that was in the model. Now we're about to go look for some furniture for the house. Gonna pick out some tables, a couch, whatever, bedroom set. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me to go furniture shopping. So let's go. These are cute. I seen these on Wayfair though. Get those off of Wayfair. Yeah, the best. This is too old fashioned. I just like the pillow. You know? I don't need a vanity looking good. Where you sit at and you put your makeup on area. Like this one? Yeah, for what, the dining room? No, I don't like the cabinet. It's pretty good. I like it because the bench. Yeah, this bench is cute with it. This got a little bench with it. Huh? Let me go see. Yeah, this one right here. I'll go over there. This one's nice. I like this marble. It feels sturdy too. I don't know. Jackie is liking this one, but I don't know about this one because we already got granite on the island and stuff, so I don't know. Look like crocodile skin. We liking this for the dining room. Yeah. Love the candles. Yeah. Loving this. This is gonna be the bedroom set. Vanity bed. Cannot wait to have this. Yeah, it is a jury box. Yeah, with a mirror. That goes with the bedroom set. Alright, we almost done furniture shopping. I'm tired now. But yeah, this was good. I think we're just gonna do this couch. Y'all, we have left furniture shopping and now we are headed back home to go change before we go out on our date. I'm so excited about it. We're going to a Brazilian steakhouse. Alright, y'all, we back at home and we about to get ready to go to the restaurant. I already got my outfit on. I'm wearing this little dress. I gotta go get my earrings. Hold on. Okay, so we about to go. But before we go, I want to show y'all these 2 pair of heels that I got when I was out with my mama at the store. I forgot the name of it. I told y'all my last vlog. Go check it out. But let me show y'all 2 pair of heels I got. I didn't get to show y'all. They so cute. Let y'all see them. Focus in. They're so cute. Wear these with some jeans or something. I'm gonna take that all out later, but them cute. They like strap up in the front. These cute red heels, they strap up your leg. I'll probably be able to wear these like 4 to 5 months from now. I can't wear heels right now because I tore my Achilles. But yeah, super cute. Can't wait to wear these. I could probably wear these when we go on a cruise in October. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we are going to Cancun. What? Let me put this down. We are going to Cancun in June, so stay tuned for that. We gotta go out to Cancun in June to check out the venues out there for the wedding. So I'm excited to do that and take y'all with me. But anyway, let me get out of this house so we can go to the steakhouse. So I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant.
I keep a baby block, I ain't fighting with no random, period. You bitches real, is you serious?
Okay, y'all, we made it back home. The restaurant was okay. I rated a 6. It wasn't that good. Like I said, it was a Brazilian steakhouse in Troy. But thank y'all so much for hanging with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.